Look, President Biden, the biomass industry is an environmental injustice, disproportionately harming Black and brown communities in the South. The industry is decimating our forests, making us more susceptible to weather events like flooding and extreme heat. The biomass wood pellet mills create millions of tons of greenhouse gases. It's right up there with emissions from burning coal. And we all know how bad coal and other fossil fuels are for the planet. Look, President Biden, the pollution from wood pellet plants burns our eyes and makes us sick with asthma and other lung and heart diseases. There's sawdust everywhere, on our cars, windows, and gardens. And the noise is so loud that it can be hard to fall asleep in our own homes at night. President Biden, you have made real progress on environmental justice, protecting our communities on the front lines of climate change and overburdened by pollution. But you still haven't taken action against the biomass industry, which sources from clear-cut forests in the South to make wood pellets and transports them overseas to be burned for electricity. President Biden, here's what you need to do. Shut down the biomass industry. Don't support these wood pellet mills with taxpayer dollars. The industry isn't economical and won't survive without subsidies and incentives. Instead, invest in community-led solutions like wind, solar, and energy efficiency. Look, President Biden, you've been an environmental justice president. Please finish the job. Protect the communities that elected you.